I have said it that we cannot allow xenophobia in Nigeria. The Igbo people of Nigeria are indigenous people of Nigeria. We didn't migrate to Nigeria. We didn't come from any place outside Nigeria to become Nigerians. We are the aborigines in this country, and we have the right to reside in any part of Nigeria and do our businesses according to the guarantees given by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So nobody should allow any interest or personal sentiment to launch an attack on Igbo people. We live in every corner of Nigeria, contributing to the well-being of all those places we live in. Lagos is just one of those places Igbos live. Without the Igbos in Lagos, the economy of Lagos will be nothing. The Igbos built Lagos, made it strong, and they're happy. What they want to do is just to be allowed to do their business. They pay taxes to the Lagos state government. So anybody that is attacking the Igbos in Lagos is drawing anarchy to Nigeria. We live everywhere. We live in Kano. There's no village in Nigeria that the Igbos do not live. And when they come, they do their business and contribute to the development of those places where they live. They build houses. They become part of the communities. They are host communities. So it is for any reason, if it's political, that Igbos are being attacked in any part of Nigeria, let them know that it will not be sustained. But it will mark the beginning of the disintegration of the country. And nobody should provoke it. Nobody should provoke it. We are very peaceful people. We work hard. We contribute to the opening up of those places that we reside that are remote in Nigeria.